Looking at SPX right now, and SPX looks like we hit some resistance yesterday and woke up this morning with a little bit of a gap down. You can see that gap right here. Um, that gap actually looking as if, let me see if I can get rid of that little thing right there and then come back. Sorry about that, guys. So, really looking to see if we get a little pop. I think that most of the week really has had this pattern where we're really going absolutely nowhere, and then all of a sudden we kind of rise, and you can kind of see it here on a 15-minute chart where we're just going sideways, and all of a sudden we just start to crank up. Looks like we may have hit a resistance here. As you can see, we have a Darvis consolidation band that's been here for a couple weeks, right? Just kind of trading within this range. We actually popped it on yesterday, and today we're kind of breaking down below it. So typically speaking, when we pop up the consolidation band, it really means that there's some momentum and flow there. And then we tend to go a little higher, but you can see that our increments have been kind of small. And so as we have been trading in this range, hit that high yesterday. Where is that? 65.08. And now you can see that we're down about 48 points today. So momentum actually still positive, but kind of heading on the kind of heading towards the zero line. If we break below that zero line, then we could possibly see a trend change. Don't know if that's in the cards. Don't know if this is going to be a buy the dip. We'll have to see on Tuesday. You can see that uh, we talk about the over, high, and low. Let's talk about that real quick as a range. So you can see on SPX the overnight range, and with the low, the mid and high is. So typically speaking, whatever happens overnight, right? The high and the low overnight tend to be a really good range to follow in the morning, because when the market opens, if we break above the pre-market highs, then we're actually trending bullish. If we break below the pre-market lows, then we are trending bearish. If we stay within that range all day, then it's an inside day. It's a range day. And so this is a real easy way for you to keep track of what the market's doing, as well as to see if we're going to have a trending day. So right now we're having a bearish trending day. We broke below the pre-market low. And you can see that we have a little recovery here on a 1 hour. But if we take it to a 15, let's see here. You can see that we broke down, consolidated, and we'll have to see if we retest it, break down, or if we start to pop back up above that 20, right? Are we going to get anywhere near this gap, right? We gap down today, and typically speaking, we do end up oftentimes flirting with filling a gap. It looks really weak today, guys, but we'll have to see a little bit later if we get a little pump. We've been consolidating for quite a while here. It looks like since 10:05, I'm Pacific Standard Time. And funny story this morning, I woke up late and I was in a panic. I'm sure you traders out there know exactly what I'm talking about. And that's one of the reasons why I learned how to automate my trades, basically using the platform of Thinkorswim. And it's really nice to be able to actually sleep in and not worry about your trades when they're automated. You have your stop loss, you have your profit taking already set. You can set it and forget it. So today it kind of reminded me of that as I woke up in a panic, like, oh no, like what's going on? And it's like, well, it doesn't matter what's going on. I have everything set, so I'm going to be okay. If you want to learn how to automate your trades, you can come visit us over at tradingmadesimple.org.